Greetings, beautiful sales heroes. Welcome to this exciting discussion on how Neuro Linguistic Programming, NLP for short, can revolutionize your sales game. We are GrowLeo, and we are thrilled to share these powerful insights with you. You are interested in becoming a smarter sales hero, and that suits you well. You see, my fellow sales heroes, sales success begins with building rapport, a fundamental principle of NLP. In sales, establishing a genuine connection with your customers is paramount. Does that sound logically? Of course. But how do you do that in every situation and with all kinds of people? Even when somebody is totally different than you are. With NLP techniques like mirroring and matching, you can subtly align your body language, tone of voice, and pacing with your customers. This creates a feeling of familiarity and trust, laying the foundation for a successful interaction. As a seasoned sales professional, you must be able to recognize that people have different ways of processing information. Neuro Linguistic Programming shows us that some customers are visual learners, while others are auditory or kinesthetic. By identifying their preferred representational system, you can tailor your communication style to match their preferences, ensuring that your message resonates deeply with them. Listen carefully to what words they use and try to use the same kind of words so that you speak the same language. A visual person sees things a certain way. A kinesthetic person has a lot of feelings and speaks about their feelings. An auditory person hears more what you say and sets pros and cons aside. Acknowledge everybody's kind of communicating and try to speak the same language for a better rapport. Anchoring is one of my favorite NLP techniques to influence customer behavior. Do you have a good memory with a certain song, smell, a visual effect? That is an anchor. You can make new positive anchors with your customers. Picture this, my sales friends. You're in a meeting with a potential customer discussing your groundbreaking solution. This is the moment to leave a mark on their minds and hearts. With the power of NLP anchoring, you can create a lasting positive impression. As you showcase success stories and demonstrate the immense benefits of your product, their eyes light up with enthusiasm and excitement. This emotion becomes anchored to your offering, like a beacon guiding them towards a purchase decision. From that moment on, whenever they think of your product, that spark of enthusiasm is rekindled, propelling them towards the irresistible desire to be a part of your success story. Objections are the bane of every salesperson's existence, but fear not, NLP has a solution: reframing. When you encounter objections, shift your perspective from negative to positive. Highlight the benefits, address concerns, and emphasize the value your product or service brings. This art of reframing can turn skepticism into enthusiasm, fostering a favorable perception of your offering. You can literally put a negative emotion in a different picture frame with the right words. That is what Neuro Linguistic Programming is all about. Reprogramming the mind of the buyer will have only positive thoughts when they think about buying from you. You can easily put expensive in another frame when you put your product in an exclusive, desirable setting. It is that easy. Now let's talk about language patterns. As a sales professional, you must adapt your communication to match your customer's style. Observe their language patterns carefully and mirror their preferences. When you speak their language, it creates a deeper connection, making them feel truly understood and more receptive to your message. It is not enough to speak the same language as in English. You have to listen carefully to what exact words that people use and in what tone they speak. Try to match their language and they will feel more comfortable with you and ready to buy from you. The power of words, my friends. NLP encourages using sensory-rich language to describe your products or services. Imagine you're introducing your state-of-the-art service to a discerning client. Instead of listing mundane features and benefits, you skillfully weave a tapestry of words that stimulates their senses. With vivid imagery, you describe how seamless and effortless their workflow will become, like a symphony of harmonious efficiency. You paint a picture of streamlined processes where they can visualize the vibrant colors of success. Their ears are filled with the euphony of seamless integration, and they can practically feel the smoothness of the user experience under their fingertips. The power of sensory-rich language envelops them, creating an all-encompassing desire to embrace your solution as the gateway to their future prosperity. There you have it, my fellow sales champions. Anchoring and sensory-rich descriptions, just two of the many potent tools that NLP blesses us within the realm of sales. Let these techniques be your guiding stars as you navigate the dynamic landscape, forging unbreakable connections with your customers and leading them towards the solutions they've always dreamt of. We are GrowLeo, and we believe in your potential to soar to unprecedented heights in the world of sales. Until we meet again, may your sales journey be filled with triumph and success. Happy selling!